Bore da. O, beth mae YouTube yn neud? OK. Creu hwn arno. Facebook arno. Reit. Bore da pawb, di Mercher. Hwn yw'r unig sesiwn fi wrthnos yma. It's my only session, so make the most of it, OK? Just i dechrau, ffrind newydd fi yn y cefn fan hyn, sa'n siŵr ti'n gallu weld e, Vincent the Velociraptor. Hyn yw ffrind gorau fi, OK? I saved the best to last, Vincent the Velociraptor. Fel chi'n gallu gweld, like you can see, he's keeping an eye on the staircase. Neu siŵr yn ddim yn dod lawr, neu lan. Good joke about Vincent, eh? Do you know what? Anybody know why he didn't go to the disco? Yeah, that's right. He had no body to go with. Because he's a skeleton. Yeah. OK. 5 gweithgaredd, OK. Ni wedi mynd off y chwaraeon wrthnos yma. Ni'n mynd nôl i normal, OK. We're going to do 5 exercises. We're going to work for 30 seconds. Break. And a canol, a little break in between, another 30 seconds. OK, ni'n mynd i twymo o'n gyntaf. Na i gweud i chi'n gyflym be ni'n neud, OK? So ni'n mynd i neud squat twist, OK? Hwn yw'r gweithgaredd gyntaf. Ni'n mynd i squat y lawr, cefn syth, plygu pengliniau, twist, nôl, squat, twist. OK, so mae hips yn symud, OK? Fi'n dal edrych ffordd na. O nôl i mewn i squat. OK, hwnna'n un gyntaf. Bydd ni'n neud march and curl. Bydd ni'n marcho, ond hal, ni'n mynd i curlo. Like we're doing a bicep curl. Sim angen dim byd, nice and slow, a cadw'r coes yn symud. Ni'n mynd i neud plank a tap, OK? Plank uchel. Pam gallu weld? Oh yeah, edrych yr hael o'r pen fi. Ew. Plank uchel, a ni moyn cadw'n gryf. Os mae hwnna'n digon anodd, that's hard enough, OK? Hwnna'n fine. Os ni moyn gwella fe, neu make it harder, ni'n mynd i wneud shoulder taps bach. Ond we have to keep solid, OK? High knees, pengliniau uchel. Ni'n gwybod hwnna, get the heart rate up. Cadw pengliniau lan, pwmpo breichau. A wedyn, cilchau braich, OK? So we're going to do arm circles, just to cool it down at the end. Ond dal, symud tra'r coesau ni yn cilchau bach neu mawr, OK? Just i gweithio'r ysgwyddau. OK. Pawb y dŵr, gobeithio, ni'n mynd i dechrau, OK? Twymo lan, dechrau cerdded ar spot, walking on the spot. Now, pawb adre, neu cwbl o chi mewn ysgol, OK? We've got to put things away, in fe. Part of life, ni gyd goffo wneud e. So nawr, platiau neu falle llyfrau, ni sy'n ni pigo rhywbeth lan, rhoi ar y silff. We're going to pick something up, put it on the shelf. On the shelf. OK. Newid yr angle, OK, change the angle, falle ti'n pigo rhywbeth o'r chwith. O'r into the middle, lan i'r top. Lan i chi. I want you nice and slow. Putting things on the shelf, OK? Bydd hwn yn gweithio cefn chi. Cos mae popeth yn dod. Ti'n gallu teimlo fe? Put your right hand on the back. Ti'n gallu teimlo gyd y muscles yn gweithio, OK? Da iawn. Cadw fynd. Tro ma, right yn y corneli. We're right in the corners, OK? Right in the corneli, good. Llyfrau ysgol. Lord of the Rings, falle. Harry Potter. Who knows? Cadw fynd. Good. Da iawn. Twymo lan y cefn. Coesau. Bach o criss-cross. Trad ar wahân. OK? Feet apart. Ni'n mynd i go, well, lan i chi. We can do right first. O flan y chwith. A nôl mas. A wedyn chwith o flan y dde. So ni ddim yn cross just in line. OK? Good. Cael bach o rhythm, OK? Breichau mas yn balance. Good. Cadw fynd. Fi'n teimlo'n yn coesau fi. Fi'n bach yn stiff heddi ar ôl wneud sesiwn ddau. So mae'n dda i twymo lan, not going flat out. Just cael y calon i gweithio. Pump o gwad rownd, gyda'r oxygen, mynd i'r muscles, a paratoi. A stop. Watering can, okay. Ni just mynd i blygu'r ochr a lan, okay. A to. Good. Twymo lan y core muscles yn y canol. 3. Un arall. 4. Dŵr dod mas. Good. So po droso. Just blygu. Coesau fi ddim yn symud. 3. 4. Un arall. A 5. Well done. This time we're going to warm up the legs again. We're going to kick the ball, kick your pail. Fi moyn chi sefyll yn llonydd, don't move. Just pigo un coes lan, pick one leg up, and just slowly swing, okay? Just i teimlo. Back of the coes, cefn y coes, back of the leg. Just kicks. Kick slow back, a wedyn os yn cyfforddus, mae cydbwysau fi'n dda, and your balance is good. Just pick it up a bit quicker, okay? Feel it. Stretching, getting ready for the squat twists. We're going to be using our legs a lot there. Swap o droso, swap legs, get your balance, gentle kicks. Plug your cefn, syth in the front. Plug in the cefn, syth in the front. Working on our balance hefyd fan hyn, da iawn. Breachio I balance. Vincent, cadw llyged, good boy. Da iawn. Okay, siglo fe mas. Ni'n mynd mewn i nawr, okay? Os i angen quick sip o dŵr, little sip of water, make sure you got some space wherever you are. Okay. So you need a squat twist. Syth mewn, squat twists. Okay. Squat a twist. Squat. Twist o'r ochr arall. Good. Cofio. Cefn syth. Plug I pengliniau. Good. Little pop. Bounce o lan. Bach o rhythm fan hyn. Good. Twist. Good. Pen lan. 3. Good. Y tro nesa, if you want, we can go quicker. Fi'n mynd I cael bach o dŵr. Tough one to start off with, okay? Gets the body fired up and ready to go. Fi'n mynd back o flanach nawr, okay? I'm going to go a little bit quicker. Squat, twist, squat. Keep the technique, okay? If you think you're wobbling, slow fe lawr. Okay? Ond, os ti'n teimlo, ti'n gallu neud e, efo bach o rhythm, go for it. Woo! Hiya! Good. Cael o fynd. 3. Da iawn. 30 seconds off. Ni'n mynd... Catch your breath. Ni'n mynd I wneud march and curl. So o'r ochr, ni'n marcho, ond gyda breichau, just curl slow. Peth mae pobl yn meddwl, oh, you've got to do curls then in. Quick, quick, quick. Na, slow nhw lawr. Teimlo, a wedyn cadw'r cefn syth, paid archo. Okay, ni'n marcho, yn i'r ochr, slow. Cofio anadlu trwy troi'n, breathe through the nose. Da iawn. Okay, nice and slow. Ni'n llosgi calories ba. Oh! Llosgi nhw. Da iawn. Good. Os ti adre, if you're at home and you want to do something like this, grab tin the beans, gyda tomatoes. Duster. Like ddefnyddio'r duster fel hyn, okay? Sim lot o pwysau, but it's a little bit different, okay? O, na i cario mlaen. Okay, just curls back slow. Ochr arall. Okay, so ti'n gallu gwneud hwnna da tin y beans. Okay, falle chi moyn swap o fe. Alternating, lan i chi. Syniadau ni'n rhoi mas. A just neud y curls. Da iawn, 5 eiliad. Da iawn, fi mor sorry, plank and tap. Don't know what I was thinking, yeah. So ni'n neud y plank uchel, okay? So mae varieties o plank, mae lot o bobl yn plank ar anelu fel hyn. Neu chi'n gallu mynd lan i wneud high plank. I am oh my days, I cannot see awful angles. Ond wedyn ni'n neud y shoulder taps, okay? So ni'n tapo, ond os ni'n woblan, just aros i wneud y plank uchel. Plank uchel, okay, cefn syth. Edrych ar y llawr, fi'n edrych lan just i weld chi. Ond ni just moyn cadw popeth yn date, tenso popeth, ac yn adlu. Os chi'n meddwl mae hwn yn rhy haws, brace yourselves, a ni just wneud taps bach. Okay, mae hwnna'n anodd, sa'n mynd i wneud lot o nhw. Good. Ni ddim moyn woblan, okay? Ding, ding, ding. So yeah, hwnna'n progression bach. High plank, os ni'n gallu, cadw'r hips date, os nhw'n dechrau cwmpo, if they start to fall, stick to the high plank, okay? 5 eiliad, plank a tap. Okay, nice plank. Get your base. Mae hwn yn good i fi, achos fi'n gallu weld os fi'n symud lot, okay? Not bad. Could do better, os yn gweud. Cadw fynd. Os ti dal moyn high plank, o hwnna'n ffain. Bach o sgwydd. Da iawn chi. 30 eiliad, bach o dŵr sy'n moyn. Fi'n mynd i pengliniau uchel, okay? Hefyd gyda hwn, os ti moyn jyst wneud y fel un i dechrau, a wedyn build o fel an, okay? You can do that too. Di mercher. Good session bod yma, come on. Barod. Okay. Coes yn mynd dyn, okay? Consistency fan hyn, paid rwsio, really gyflym ar dechrau, a wedyn stryglo, time it, pace yourselves. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Da iawn. Faint 10 eiliad. Push it back, come on in. Come on, Vincent. Good. Fel mae Bon Jovi yn gweud, we're halfway there. Hello! Oh! 5 eiliad. Come on, boys. Bach yn mwy gyflym tro yma. Fi'n mynd i'r ochr. Get a bit of suntan on my kneecaps. Cadw'n adlu, keep breathing. Keep the quality. Da iawn. 10 eiliad, come on then. Fel Usain Bolt. Come on, cadw bympo. Ooh. 30 eiliad off. Ni'n mynd i'n arm circle, so ni'n gallu sgwlo fel lawr bach. Bach technique work. Just cryfhau shoulders ni, okay? Strengthen our shoulders. Siglo fe mas. Fel sŵn fel anifeiliaid. Okay. Going forwards, mynd o flan, cilchau bach. Cilchau bach. like a saucer, tea saucer bach, little plate. A little bit bigger. Nah, you're still going forwards, good. A little bit quicker. Come on then. Keep control. Nice, tight, medium-sized plate. Oh, starting to burn a bit there. Trauma. We're going to go backwards with our circles. Ooh. Come on then, Vincent. Last one, boy. You mean no, medium-sized circles, okay? Off funny. Gyflym trauma. Fi really machu gyflym. Mynd yn gyflym. Okay. A little bit bigger. Still going fast. Keep it controlled. Core tight. Arse and solid. A little bit bigger. Oh, come on. Last 5 seconds. Back. Try back. Try back. Go, go, go. Yeah. Right back. Right back. Oh. Hooray. Okay. Cerdded o gwmpas. Siglo fe mas. Fi moyn pan chi'n cerdded, rolio sgwydden nôl. Roll your shoulders back. Oh. Because that was a little burner. Oh. Roll and roll. Anadlu trwy trwyn. Mas trwy ceg. Roll them forwards. Good. Oh. Cadw nadlu, keep breathing. Steph, we are breathing. Fi'n gwybod, trwy. Good, okay. Un bach o'r coesau. Bwydo'r cywiar, feed the chickens. Okay, so mi'n eistedd, nôl, coes mas yn syth, llath yn plygu, okay? Feed the chickens, swap over. My right knee is going to bend, left leg out straight. Feed the chickens. A swap o. On Steph, what do you mean feed the chickens? Imagine nawr, grain, a ti'n sgatro fe ar llawr. Colin y cywiar, cerdded o'r y tŷ yma, trwy'r amser. Nice, and smooth, good. Squat bach. Oh, I can't see. Just rock o ochr I ochr. Cadw nadlu. Good. Cofio, dŵr, okay? Need mwy o stretches. Couple of bits jyst I gorffen gyda. Un o ffrindiau Ceredigion Active, sef Bryn Oliver, yn codi arian I lot o elusennau lleol. He's Bryn, friend of Ceredigion Active, is raising lots of money for charity. Mae fe'n teithio I Bari yn yr Eidal. He's travelling to Bari in Italy. Ond yn yr ardal yma, he's not obviously going abroad. Okay, so os mae unrhyw diddordeb neu chi moyn helpu mas, cer draw I BMO. Mae fe ar gyd o social media. Dilyn fe, ac mae'n gwneud gwaith da. Ac hefyd, ni'n cario ymlaen. Sorry Facebook, fi'n reit na cael. Ni'n cario ymlaen, okay? Wythnos nesaf, hanner tymor, we keep going, we keep going. Gets me out of bed, so fi'n really hapus o hwn, okay? So da iawn. A gobeithio, pawb yn joio. Os chi moyn weld rhywbeth, e-bost o ni, hela neges, thema, unrhyw beth, okay? I've run out of friends, so I'm going to have to bring plants into the room and name my plants, because they're all named, and maybe give you a little bit of knowledge about that. Okay? Diolch pawb. Welai chi yn fuan. Ta-ra.